This is a review of the Gain Detergent's 134 loads that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, I'm going to share my experience with this. So this right over here, I've been using for the past 30 days now. And so far, the smell is really long lasting when it comes time to wash your detergent onto your clothing, when you use this onto the laundries. And so far, it states a few things. So right over here, it says, up to all day scent. So that right over here, it does do that whenever I use it. And right over here it says Odor Defense as well too. And it is up to 134 medium loads that you can see here. But other than that, I've been using this for quite a while now, for the past 30 days. And I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it smells very nice on your clothing. And it really works very well when it comes to, making your clothes smell nice and good. So if you're looking for something that makes your clothes smell nice and good, then this one right over here, the Gain detergent, is by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.